Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Words for Wonder. Today is day 15 of our 30-day vocabulary building challenge. Let's get started. क्या आप कभी ऐसे इंसान से मिले हो जो लिटरेचर, आर्ट्स, म्यूजिक को बोरिंग और वक्त की बर्बादी बताता हो? वेल, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ऐसे इंसान को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा शब्द है. इट्स कॉल्ड फिलिस्टीन. The word Philistine is a noun, but it can also be used as an adjective. So what exactly is a Philistine? Philistine is someone who lacks appreciation or interest in culture, the arts, or intellectual pursuits. Imagine someone who finds arts museum boring and calls music concerts a waste of time, or thinks that literature doesn't serve any real purpose. Well, that person could be called a Philistine. Let's talk about its pronunciation. This word has 3 syllables and it is pronounced slightly different in British English. In American English, it is pronounced as Philistine. This word rhymes with the word teen. But in British English, it is pronounced as Philistine. It rhymes with the word line. Now, let's talk about its synonyms. The word that have similar meanings. The first is uncultured, unrefined, materialistic. On the flip side, the opposite of a Philistine would be a cultured, sophisticated person, or can be called an intellectual. Or another word for it is connoisseur. These are people who love, appreciate, or understand the deeper value in the arts, music, and literature. Let's talk about few related words to the word Philistine. The first word that comes to my mind is anti-intellectual. Anti-intellectual refers to someone who dismisses intellectual pursuits, not just the arts, but the pursuit of knowledge itself. Another word could be utilitarian, which doesn't mean someone is against arts, but rather values things more for their practical use rather than any cultural significance. Now, here is an interesting tidbit about the origin of this word. Historically, the word Philistine refers to a group of people in ancient Palestine who were frequently in conflict with the Israelites. In modern times, however, this word has taken on a completely different meaning, one that focuses on attitude rather than ethnicity or location. So, just to clarify, calling someone a Philistine or Philistine is not a comment on their background or heritage. It's simply about their attitudes towards culture and the arts. Let's look at few examples now. Sarah called her brother a Philistine when he told her he didn't understand why people were so fascinated with paintings. Another example. In college, we had a professor who encouraged us to appreciate the arts, and she would often refer to those who didn't as Philistine. Another example. He used to be a Philistine, uninterested in anything artistic, but now he's exploring the world of classical poetry and painting. So the next time you hear someone is dismissing arts, culture, literature, theatre, remember the word is Philistine. However, use it with a smile. Sometimes people don't realize the joy they are missing out in the arts. Thank you for watching the word of day today. I hope you have learned something new. If you like my content, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice